Well, hi, it's Native Robin, and we have a blizzard in Indiana. First one in like 6 or 8 years. So, this is the blizzard of 2012. Check it out. Okay, so it's just started. It's almost 9 in the morning. It's just started. It's been snowing down in Indianapolis, which is just south of me. But, hey, I'm going to Gander Mountain. They got a sale on snow boots. What could be more pointless than the snow the day after Christmas? Starting to stick though. It's not too bad. Gander Mountain's only about a mile away, so I'm on the trail. Get me a pair of those half-price snow boots today. Okay, we're not messing around. I was in Gander Mountain. I got some Sorel boots rated to 32 below zero and waterproof. Bring it on, snow. And it's gotten worse since I was in the store. So we'll be back later. Well, it's been snowing for a couple of hours and blowing. Starting to pile in a little bit. Hey, it's 2:22 in the afternoon on the first day. Still coming down. Here's my garden in back. You can see by the planter there, it's piling up. Blizzard of 2012 continues. Okay, here's the aftermath. The next day, here's where my gardens are. Those are 2x6s. Still not much of a blizzard. Anyway, it's pretty. Hey, I got these new boots. They're doing good. They're Sorel boots. They're 1964 graphic New Mexico diamond print. They're rated to 25 below zero Fahrenheit, 32 below zero Celsius. They're waterproof. Okay, so the blizzard of 2012 really wasn't that big of a deal where I'm at, but it gave me a great excuse to go buy a new pair of boots. And my next I'll be camping in the woods. So, until next time, this is Native Robin saying, happy trails.